Hello, my name is Frank, and I'm a proud Vietnam veteran. I receive healthcare services at my local VA hospital. I use a variety of online VA programs to help me manage my health and better connect with my healthcare team, as well as others in the VA. So can you. From scheduling appointments to getting my VA prescriptions refilled to learning more about the health issues that matter most to me, there are a variety of online tools available. You can use a phone, a laptop, PC, tablet, or even the VetLink kiosk that may be available in some of the waiting rooms. It is all about giving you a variety of ways to manage your health so you can have a better healthcare experience. There are many ways the VA can help you manage your healthcare task. First, we will review some common tasks involved in managing your health and tell you what online tools and programs are available for you to use. Then we will get to know a few veterans like me and you who use these online VA tools to manage their own health care. Managing your VA appointments. To schedule an appointment, picking up the phone and calling in is always an option. If your VA medical center and provider offer online scheduling, you can also use your phone, laptop, or PC to log on to My Healthy Vet's VA online scheduling tool to request, cancel, or reschedule an appointment with your VA provider. You can also manage your VA appointments using secure messaging. Communicating with your VA healthcare team. To communicate with your VA healthcare team, you have a number of options. My Healthy Vet has several features you can use to track your health and share information with your doctor. One of the easiest ways to communicate with your VA healthcare team is by using secure messaging. My Healthy Vet's secure online messaging feature that is similar to email. You can send and receive secure messages to easily manage communication with your healthcare team as well as other VA staff. But there are all types of information you can share about your healthcare using secure messaging. You can use other My Healthy Vet tools like the Healthy Living Assessment, a health assessment that gives you an assigned age that reflects your current health status as opposed to your actual age. You can share your Healthy Living Assessment results with your doctor through secure messaging. There are also online tools where you can self-enter and track a variety of your health measures such as blood pressure, blood sugar, your weight, and much more. You can even graph your results and provide your doctor updates through secure messaging on your progress. Something everyone should check out. The VA Blue button also allows you to view, print, save, and/or share your VA health record with your providers inside and outside of VA. As you can see, there are lots of ways to use all of VA's electronic resources to proactively manage your health care. For veterans who live a good distance from the nearest VA facility or who have conditions that make mobility difficult, telehealth is a great way to electronically access health care services. Telehealth uses technologies that make it possible for care coordinators to check on patient symptoms, measure vital signs, and provide health coaching in the home. The VA Home Telehealth Program will send you your technology, which has an easy setup using regular telephone lines, a cellular modem, or cell phones that directly link you with your care coordinator to help ensure the right treatment is delivered in the right place at the right time, right from your own home. Another VA program, VA Video Connect, also allows you to receive care right from your home using real-time video to home technology. If you're interested in telehealth or VA Video Connect, ask your VA provider if it's right for you. Managing your VA prescriptions, labs, and tests, and other health information. There are now different ways to fill your VA prescriptions, make or cancel your VA appointments, access your lab and test results, and a lot of other information that is stored in your VA health record. On My Healthy Vet, you will want to try using the prescription refill tool that allows you to refill and track delivery of your VA prescription medications. It is both fast and easy. You will also want to try the Labs and Tests feature that allows you to view and track laboratory tests and results done by both your VA and non-VA providers. Should you have any questions, use secure messaging to contact your doctor. Managing your health history. You will find My Healthy Vet is an ideal way to manage your health history. Once you are registered on My Healthy Vet, you can self-enter and track as much or little of your health information as you desire. For veterans with a premium My Healthy Vet account, you will be able to access much of the information that is available in your VA electronic health record. The VA Blue Button and Vitals Tracker have features that let you manage your own health history. You should also know about the new AnyApp text messaging service that your VA healthcare team may recommend you try. With Any, you'll receive automated text messages reminding you to track your health readings, and you can respond to update your team on your progress. You will also receive motivational messages to help keep you on track. As mentioned earlier, Home Telehealth and VA Video Connect are two great means of connecting with your care coordinator to help manage your own health right from your own home. The VA has also developed clinical video telehealth that connects you at a home or a clinic to a provider elsewhere, covering more than 40 clinical services such as specialty and primary care, as well as store and forward telehealth that lets you forward pictures, images, and details on your health history to other providers in other locations. Plus, there is more. Upon arriving at your VA for a scheduled doctor visit, you can check in and update personal and insurance information by using any available VetLink kiosk. Just one more way to use technology to manage your health. Looking up health information. Sometimes you just want to know more about a particular medication or your condition. There are many ways you can use VA online resources to help you find the information you need. The Veterans Health Library on My Healthy Vet contains a wide range of health information for both veterans and their families. You also find an additional medical library, and you don't even need to be logged in to explore either one. There are also many videos on YouTube. It is important to make sure videos you access for health information are provided by legitimate sources. Did you know some videos on YouTube have been produced by VA to give you easy access to important health-related information? If you see the VA logo, you'll know you are accessing videos that are accurate, current, and endorsed by the VA. Speaking of web-based resources, are you interested in using mobile apps to get health information and manage your health? Here's a web address worth knowing: mobile.va.gov. That is the address of the mobile.va.gov app store. On it, you will find dozens of apps pertaining to many health issues that veterans often encounter. You've seen a quick overview of some of the many electronic tools available to you. Now let's see how a few different veterans engage with these tools for their own use. And why not start with me? Personally, I really enjoy the 24/7 convenience of My Healthy Vet and the many features it has, so no matter where I am, I can access My Healthy Vet as long as I have connection to the internet. I use the VA online scheduling app to schedule my VA clinic appointments. Then I log them into My Healthy Vet health calendar, where I log in both my VA and non-VA clinic appointments, allowing me to keep track of all of them in one place. I like how I can communicate with my doctors and other VA staff through secure messaging. If I have a question about a copay, I can send a secure message. It's not just for healthcare issues anymore. I can also get email reminders about upcoming appointments and, on occasion, cancel appointments. I also use VA Blue Button to download and keep all of my healthcare records in one place. Here is another wonder of technology. I live a ways away from my VA hospital, so I began using the telehealth blood pressure monitor to communicate with my doctor directly from home, and that has made a huge difference. Now I'm able to send updated health info regarding my high blood pressure right from home. Through telehealth, there are a variety of ways to communicate directly with your doctor right from home. That has really cut down on my number of scheduled visits. I'm also always looking for ways to better manage my hypertension and diabetes. I have found a lot of useful information about both topics on the Veterans Health Library and Medline Plus, both available on My Healthy Vet. I have even downloaded a health app to log my food intake and my exercise to help me manage my health behaviors. Those are the main electronic tools I use. Now let's meet a few other veterans and see what tools they like to use. Meet Mike, who served in Operation Desert Storm and is currently enrolled in a smoking cessation program. Mike also uses My Healthy Vet. The VA Blue Button tool allows him to view his health information. He also uses secure messaging to send updates to his doctor when needed. Mike has been worried about his weight gain as a result of trying to quit smoking and has been keeping his doctor in the loop through this secure means of communication. His doctor suggested he use the new VA Annie app to receive inspiration, tips, and advice on cutting back on his long-time smoking habit. Looks like Mike is getting the message. He also took the Healthy Living Assessment that's right on My Healthy Vet, which was suggested by his doctor. The Healthy Living Assessment results gave him some additional motivation. He was projected at being 10 years older than he actually was. Now Mike is using the tracking tools on My Healthy Vet to record and track his key health measures, such as his weight and blood pressure. He has even gotten into graphing those results and has actually seen improvements in his health. On the day of his scheduled doctor visit, Mike checks in using the VetLink kiosk. He likes to know that he is automatically queued for his visit. Mike's doctor told him about the VA's Move weight loss app, as well as a few other weight loss apps he could consider, and he's definitely interested. Mike is currently putting a lot of VA's online tools to use. Just how many of these tools you utilize is entirely up to you. Here's how one other veteran is putting them to use. This is Peggy. She served in Afghanistan and suffers from pain and PTSD. Changing her eating habits and managing her PTSD have become priorities to her as she is hoping to start a family soon with her husband. She likes the ease of the prescription refill tool on My Healthy Vet, as it allows her to refill and track delivery of her VA prescription medications. She also uses the VA Blue Button feature on My Healthy Vet. It allows her to view VA laboratory tests and results and a few other non-VA results that she entered herself. Peggy also discovered some other VA mobile apps that provide advice and additional information on PTSD that she downloaded on her smartphone. Soon she hopes to be reading up on pregnancy and newborn infant care. All of these digital programs and tools are integrated to bring digital technology to veterans like me, Mike, and Peggy. You can use one or all of these tools to manage your health care. Through all of the virtual technology of these digital tools, the VA delivers health care where and when you need it. One more thing before I go. When I decided I wanted to use all the tools My Healthy Vet has available to manage my health and my VA health care, I had to get a premium My Healthy Vet account. You see, having a premium My Healthy Vet account enables me to schedule and manage my appointments online, exchange secure messages with my healthcare team, and much more. I verified my identity through a quick and easy authentication process at my VA facility. This process is designed to protect veterans' private health information. Veterans who are enrolled in VA can complete the authentication process at their VA outpatient clinic if that is where they are typically seen for appointments. Next time you're at your local VA, if you do not already have a premium account, ask one of the VA staff how you can upgrade your MyHealthyVet account to a premium status like Peggy, Mike, and me, and get started in managing your healthcare using VA's electronic tools. Join us and the millions of veterans who use VA digital tools like MyHealthyVet, telehealth, and mobile apps to stay connected to your healthcare.